Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add to-do list page into your app. The to-do list page allows your app users to efficiently organize and keep track of their tasks in one place. Now let's see how to add the page. Enter app name, select category, click on next. If you want, you can add your website here. Now select a design as per your needs. And click on next. Now add to-do list page into your app. If you want, you can change the page name from here. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline, icon, or image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. In that title field, enter the title of your to-do list. In task heading field, you can enter the title of your task and add description below. As you can see, here I have created a task every pilot should do before flying. And adding multiple descriptions such as check the logbooks. Click on Add More button if you want to add multiple descriptions for a particular task. Get an official weather briefing. Fuel calculation. Perform a throughout pre-flight check. And give your passengers confidence. For plane takeoff to-do list. If you want, you can delete the task description from here. Click on Add More to-do list button to create multiple to-do lists. Here I'm creating another to-do list, plane landing. Now I'm entering the task title. Things every pilot should do after landing and adding descriptions, like receive the weather report for landing, aircraft navigation and setting up the speeds and flap settings in the flight computer, and plan turn off time. In the same way, you could create several to-do lists and organize your everyday task. From here, you can delete the to-do list. If you want, you can check the functionality of to-do list on the simulation window. Now let's move to Advanced Element Customization section. In Page Style and Color Scheme. From here, you can change the page elements color, font color, and font size. If you want to hide search box, click mark this checkbox. Now click on Language Settings. Here you can check all of the current alert messages being displayed on your app. If you want, you can change the alert messages from here. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.